Barret'S Taxonomy of comprehension skills. Literal comprehension, reorganization, inferential comprehension, evaluation, appreciation. Literal comprehension.
Label, list, name, recall, repeat, state.
Reorganization.
Classify, regroup, rearrange, assemble, collect, categorize.
Inferential comprehension.
Predict, infer, guess.
Evaluation.
Analyze, appraise, evaluate, justify, reason, criticize, judge.
Appreciation.
Critique, appraise, comments, appreciate.
Barret'S Taxonomy of comprehension skills, presented by SEMPER IDEM Signature.